Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, this is all about how to give yourself a hot oil treatment. First, you will need warm water in a spray bottle. Second, you will need Aunt Jackie Soft All Over multi-purpose oil. And third, a wide tooth comb or a pick. So I first saturate my hair thoroughly from the front to the back, making sure that my hair is completely wet because you don't want your hair to be dry when doing this because the oil won't penetrate your hair as much as you need. Let me give you some of the benefits of this oil. It has flaxseed oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, grapeseed, and ginseng. And everybody knows all of these oils are great when it comes to moisture and hydration. After I get my hair all nice and saturated, I go through with a good amount of oil, as you can see. And then I rub it in my hair. I do the front first, and then I work my way to the back. After I get it all in my hair and massaged in, I go through with my pick and I pick it all out thoroughly, making sure that my hair is nice and detangled, because tangles is never a good thing, and when it's time to wash this out, you want it to be a 1, 2, 3 type of motion. My last step of this hot oil treatment is the bonnet dryer. I love this bonnet dryer. I use it all the time. I'm currently using it on this style for 30 minutes to an hour on the warm setting on low heat, just because you don't want it too high and it like fries your hair. So after that, I rinse my hair out with regular shampoo and conditioner. My hair was so soft, it smelled so good, and it made detangling a lot easier. So after I style my hair, I wake up in the morning and I take some more oil, graciously massaging it all over my fingers, and I massage it in my hair just to get rid of the gel cast and give my hair some shine and movement again. This oil is amazing, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Oh, and of course, it is a multi-purpose oil, so I use it on my fingers and on my face. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.